Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you all how to make this very easy daisy flowers. These are very easy to make it. So let's begin. So to begin with, we'll be requiring yellow gum paste and white gum paste. Now whenever we are going to make any fondant flowers, we take gum paste but we don't take fondant. The gum paste dries more faster, more quicker. This is very thin foaming pad, shaping foam. You get a thicker one also. Try and buy a thicker one. I had this, I'm using this. This is dusting pouch. I added corn flour. This is rolling pin. Now this is daisy flower cutter. Both sizes are slightly different. This is slightly smaller than this one. This is rolling pin. This is also called winning tool. We are going to use for shaping the flowers, and these are called foaming cups. It will be helpful for drying all the flowers. Now if you don't get this, try and use any ring shape, any bowl or something, so that we can keep the flowers little shallow type, or you can use also egg cartons. So let's begin. I'm also used edible glue. I'm going to roll the gum paste in my palm, not in the finger but in my palm, and I'm going to roll as thin as I can. So I've rolled it very thin. Now I'm going to take the mum cutters or the daisy cutters, okay, and I've just kept upside down. I'm not going to put the cutters on top of the fondant, but I'm going to do this way, and this is way we're going to get very clean shape, neat shape flower cutters. You see how neat it's come. Now we're going to use one more, a little smaller one. Yeah, both are ready. Now I'm going to take a foam pad. Going to place the flower. Now this is winning tool, having one side slightly thick and thinner. I'm going to use the thinner side. I'm going to press it lightly and try to bring inwards. All the petals you have to do. And you can see it got a nice shape. I'm going to use this cup. And I'm going to do the second one same. Here our second one is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a small yellow gum paste, a very small. Roll it in your palm. Okay. Now we are going to place this flower on top of this flower, but make sure both the petals don't go on the same way on each other, but you have to keep slightly a distance so it looks like a blooming flower. Okay, I'm going to use a very little edible glue, just a little, very little. Now I'm going to keep this here. Okay, and a little more edible glue. Now keep it aside for a few hours. It will get dried up, and once it get dried up, we can add more colors and get it more realistic. Now you can use this flowers for decorating your cakes or cupcakes. I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading many more beautiful videos. Until then, see you by next time.